So adding websites is just that simple. You click New Source, click on Website, Web Page, and you can go ahead and add those 5 main things. If I click on New Source right here, I just want to show you briefly what some other things you can add. Database, we probably won't be using too much of that in middle school. Websites here, you could use video clip online if you find a YouTube video. Print or in hand. This is books. I'll show you a quick example of that in just a moment. Viewed or heard live. So if you interview your great grandmother about serving in the Vietnam War, you have to cite your great grandma. So you talk about the interview, and that ask the date and the name of your grandma and things like that. File, app, or ebook. Some options in there. And so that's pretty much what we're looking for. I'm going to show you briefly how quick and easy it is to add a book. So I want to print and in hand and book. The best thing about adding a book is all you need is one number, the ISBN number. That's usually a number that's found under or above a barcode on the back of the book. And so I click in the box next to the ISBN, and I'm going to type in a number of a book that I have next to me. You don't need dashes or spaces or anything to that effect. And you just simply click search and click on the book once it finds it. I may have to scroll down a bit. That's a little frustrating, but that's one thing. So you click on that, and you don't want to retrieve just the cover image. You want to import the selected source, and then it puts the title and the authors and the dates and things like that. I just simply click continue, and you'll look, all that information from the book is plugged in for me. All I now have to do is click save. It literally just took a couple of clicks. I typed in one number and I have a book. And you'll notice that it organized my citations in alphabetical order, and that's how it is supposed to be. And at the very end, when you're ready to share it with your teacher, you go up where it says print or export. You drop this menu down. We're going to export it to a Microsoft Word. It might ask you where to download it. I'm going to save it to my downloads folder. That's where most files go. And then if I open up the document, I have my works cited page. You may have to click enable editing, but now I can take this information, I can copy it, I can paste it into my end of my paper, or I can just simply type my name at the top and print this out separately. Ask your teacher how they want their works cited page. And so that's a lot of information there. I just want to show you real briefly. I'm going to click back on projects up here. Let's say I logged in a day later. I'm still working on the same project. I need to find my report in here. Sometimes it will be difficult to find your report because it does not list it in alphabetical order. So if you can't find your report, just hold down the CTRL button, the control, and type the letter F as in find. A little box pops up here. I can type in my last name, and you'll find here's my project right here. If I press this little down arrow, it finds an older projects that I have listed in here. And so you can cycle through some of your older projects. And then I click on the project that I'm working on. It'll take me to the dashboard. I skip past the dashboard. I click sources. And now I can continue adding new sources to my project a day or so later. You don't have to do it all at one take. So that's pretty much how to cite your source so you don't get charged with plagiarism. And there you go.